Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a custom list in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now for this particular tutorial, you're not going to use the normal or the regular Best Buy account. You're definitely going to use your Best Buy business account. So go ahead and launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type Best Buy Business. Click on that and it's going to take you to the Best Buy Business page. Once you get into the Best Buy Business website, go ahead and apply for Best Buy Business. Once you fill out the form, you're going to be shown. Then it's going to take them 3 to 5 business days to respond to you to see if your business will be accepted in Best Buy. So after creating your Best Buy Business, here is how you can create a custom list in Best Buy Business. So first you have to sign into your seller account. That's Best Buy Marketplace. That's Best Buy seller account. All right. And once you click your seller account in your Best Buy Business, then you have to go to My Inventory tab, which is, okay, so go to My Inventory tab and select the Import from File option from the drop down. So you're going to find the My Inventory tab on the home page of your Best Buy Business. Okay, that's the Best Buy Marketplace. You're gonna find the My Inventory tab from the home page at the top left corner. So click on that and you're gonna find Import from File. You're gonna see that in the My Inventory tab drop down menu. So click on Import from File. Once you click from Import a File, which is what is shown right here, follow the cursor. This is what it's gonna look like. So click on My Inventory and click on Import a File. All right, so once you get to this window, after clicking on Import a File, over here at the left corner of your screen, you're going to find this option that says Configure and Download an Operator Excel File Template. Now, this one is for bulk listing, but we're not doing a bulk listing, right? We just want to create a custom list, right? So let's say we don't want to do bulk. We just want to create this list one at a time. So head over to here where you have Source. So click on Select the File. This Select the File button is going to take you to your Systems window. Then select the file or select the list that you want to create. Over here, you have File Content. So click the drop down menu to click on the File Content. And you have your Import Mode. Select the Import Mode, either Normal, Update, or Delete and Replace. So go ahead and click on Normal so that you can now create a new list or a new custom list. So once you've clicked on Normal in this page, please choose your desired options from the Select a File Template to Download section. So once you've clicked that, if you've filled out this information, you've clicked on Normal, it's going to take you to another page, which is this page you're seeing right here in the screen. That's this particular page. So here you're going to see this option that says Select a File Template to Download section. And if you want to download only product file, then select Product option. Or if you want to download Products and Offer file, then select Products and Offer option. So you're going to find Products, Offers, and Products and Offers. So select any of them that suits your custom list. And after doing that, it's going to take you to another window. Now this is the window that select the requirement level of attributes. So now you need to select all required, recommended, optional option from the drop down menu. So click on that, all, required, recommended, and option. I'm going to find required. You're going to find this other option, but click on all. And once you click on all, here the next thing is select the categories. So choose that select a targeted product category from the list. You're going to be shown a wide array of lists. So you can also search the category with your product keywords and you can select one or multiple categories under one feed file. Here you will get lots of categories like the following categories. These are the categories. So select one from any of these options. Now after selecting the category, just click on the Generate Template button, which you're going to find at the bottom of that window. Now once you click on that, that's going to be it. After generating the template, click on the download option to download your file. Now in this case, it's not a bulk file, right? You just click on the download option to download your file. And once you download your file, your downloaded feed is ready to work. And open the feed file and fill up all the required attributes. All right, in this custom, so fill all the required attributes. Now after putting all the data on the feed file, go to the Import from File option from the My Inventory menu tab, which is on your home page. Once you do that, now upload your prepared feed file from your computer by clicking on Select a File option and then select Product from File Content Attributes. This is what you're going to see. Find content, select product, and then now you're just one step away to complete the process. Just click on this import button. Then you're going to find at the bottom list, all right, to import your file. This is not a bulk file, but import a custom list or import your file, whatever you used as your custom list. Now you can check the report of your uploaded file by clicking track product imports from this page. Once you click on my inventory, you're going to see track product template, track product imports. You can click on that to see the report on your file or on your custom list. So this is pretty much how you can create a custom list in Best Buy. Just follow through the step-by-step processes and you will be good to go. Remember, it can only be done in Best Buy Marketplace or the Best Buy business. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.